Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben and welcome to my live stream. Today we're going to talk about will Bitcoin hit that 2,500 mark? And we're just going to go over the charts. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button because I'm going to tell you why. Okay? If you want to learn how to make money during the bear market, hit that subscribe button. If you are confused, frustrated, tired of these YouTubers telling you we're going to go to the moon and we just, the market just continue to go down and down and down. If you're just tired of that, hit that subscribe button. Okay. If you want to become a winner, okay, make your mother proud, make your brother proud, your wife proud. If you want to do that, then come join over here, hit that subscribe button. During this live stream, of course, I'm not hitting this. I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay. And, of course, if you have any questions, type it in. And also, if you're watching that replay, you can speed up the video by hitting settings button, hitting 1.5 or 2, and you can speed up the video. Okay, so let's give you guys a round of applause. I don't know how many people are going to show up today. It is the weekend, so let's pop this out. I don't know how many people is going to show up, but let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. All right. All right. Shout out to the people that's here already. All right. Laurenus, Travis, Rufus, Cedric, Sean, Woody, BJ. What's going on, guys? Shout out to everybody that's here. We're going to do a quick update on the chart. And, if you guys have any questions, we can go, to your questions. And, we go from there. So let's go to CoinMarketCap first. Right now, the dominance is at 52.4. Okay. Nothing's really going on. Of course, it's the weekend, so we don't expect anything, to happen. I mean, if it does, then, it's crazy. But for the most part, the weekends are slow. Right now, the market cap is at 122. And, I'm definitely waiting to see the market approach that $100 billion mark, because I believe once we approach that $100 billion mark, okay, things could get real ugly, guys. I mean, think about it for a second. Things could get real ugly if we approach that $1 billion mark. Actually, when I mean approach it, I'm talking about if we go below that $100 billion mark, I think things could get real ugly. I mean, just think about it. We was at, what, 830 something billion, and we go below that 100. I mean, a lot of people, including the big dogs, could just unload and sell like crazy. So get ready for some, for a roller coaster ride, guys. Okay. Right now, the market looks like it's at a temporary support level. So let's go to that 4-hour to peep that real quick. So if you see this nice little temporary support, it's not, right now, we didn't shoot up. That's there's a big question mark right now because we didn't shoot up. So, is this strong support right here, or this is weak support? Because right now we just hit the support and we're going up a little bit, which is, usually a sign of this weakness. Okay, so we might have just consolidation just to break down, continue to go down. Okay, and most likely if that happen, we're definitely going to probably go break these lows, okay, and then probably find temporary support at that 3,000, maybe 2,900. All right, but right now we do have temporary support. A couple of things can happen right at this level. Couple of things can happen. The way I see it is we can hold on, let me erase. I'm trying to erase that, but a couple of things, we can actually go right back to the breakout, which is around 3,800. Okay, so hold on, let me see. Yeah, so we can actually go right back to this breakout right here. All right, find resistance, okay, and then go right back down, or we can go right back to this breakout, okay, at like 3,900, okay, test this, find resistance, and go right back down. So a couple of ways we can do this, all right, but right now, honestly, guys, it looks weak. If we do decide to go up and bounce and break that to that 40 or 44, if we go back to 44, then I know for a fact these guys are just trying to play with your emotions, because there's no reason why the market should be going up or bouncing from here and going up. Okay, so if they do something like that, then most likely they're trying to fake you guys out just to get your hopes up, because a lot of people are going to say, whoa, you know, this held, this support level held, so most likely this could be the bottom. And you know, and just, you know, pretty much going to go back down. But right now it looks so bearish that you know, I'm looking for continuation. That's what I'm looking for, continuation. So we will see. We will see. Probably next week we will see what's going on. You know how Bitcoin goes. Bitcoin loves to make one big move and then consolidate. So next week, okay, we might just have consolidation. I mean, nothing. It's just what it is. So that's what I expect with when it comes to Bitcoin. And we could actually take a look at these other coins real quick. But today might be a quick stream. We don't know. Let's see. So yeah, Litecoin looks real bearish. Yeah, like I said, we might get a you know, temporary bounce, but please don't let that bounce fool you. Ethereum looks real weak. Let's look at Tron real quick. I didn't see Tron lately. Yeah, Tron looks horrible. So yeah, all this stuff looks weak, because if you look at Tron, Tron is actually a good example. If you go to that 4 hour, you know, you know, if you know, we love to go right back to that breakout. So that breakout was around here. So we probably will continue to go back down or lower. We did hit this. We hit this level right here, so it could bounce from right here. But for the most part, I definitely I'm looking for TRX to continue to go back down. Let's look at who else? XRP. What's XRP doing? XRP is pretty much doing what Bitcoin is doing, consolidating right here. So, like I said, it could be consolidation, right? And then just to go right back down, all right? And once it goes right back down, I mean, honestly, to me, I think it's a wrap. Because now we're going to test that $100 billion market cap again. And once it goes below that, I mean, we talking about, you know, I'm sorry to say, but a market that went to damn near, we was almost at 1 trillion, right? So we went all the way almost to 1 trillion, going below 100 billion. That's telling me is the market is real weak, and it's probably going to take a long time to recover. Okay, that's all, you know, that's what it's telling me. A strong market is not going to go all the way to 1 trillion and go right back down below 100 billion. So if you guys have any questions, please type in your questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. I appreciate everybody that's here. Appreciate all my subscribers. I appreciate everybody. Shout out to all my students are making money. And let's get to these questions. Let's see what's going on. David said, "Are we rich yet?" Who else? Let me see here. Bobby, what's going on? What's going on? TPD, Woody. Anthony says, "Stop exaggerating. 26 is far-fetched." Okay, so Anthony, let me ask you a question. I'm quite sure you are the same person that said 6,000 was going below 6,000 was far-fetched. So, you know, please come back to me when, you know, when the market goes to that number. Okay. Now, saying that we're going to hit 26 right now, I never said that. Okay. I never said we're going to hit 26 right now. But you have to understand, if we break these lows, continue to go right back to the low, okay, all that means is continuation. So if we can't hold that 3,000 mark, what do you expect? You expect Bitcoin to continue to go back up? I mean, you really have to understand how things work. If we can't hold a certain level, that means continuation. Okay? It doesn't matter how long it takes to go there. Let's go back to what's going on, Donline. Dino's in the building. Yes, making that bread. Shout out to you. I'm gonna shout you out later on. I'm gonna definitely shout you out later on, Dino. Let me see. Low key at work. Oh, you at work? I hear you, bro. I'm gonna shout you out later on because you know, I'm definitely proud of you. I was supposed to let me see if I can get that thing, man. I was supposed to yeah, I'm gonna shout you out later on. Sean said, Big Ben, preach what you know. Yeah, shout out to you. You said that's fine with me. I love the volatility and the day trader. I read these markets. All right. DGTX. You want me to look at that? Up 5%. I don't think that's, is that on trading view? I don't think that's on trading view. It's probably one of those coins that's I mean, yeah, 5% on a 4 cent coin is really nothing. It's really nothing. I mean, the whole major trend is still down. All right, so let's go to these other questions. What's going on, Peter? What's going on, Colin? Nothing matters if BTC falls. That is 100% correct. Most of you guys have to understand that. Nothing matters, guys. It doesn't matter. Okay, you have groups out here that will say their coin will separate from BTC. Oh, that's baloney. Oh, that's baloney, guys. Okay, you really have to understand that Bitcoin is the main coin right now, even though it's probably slower than some of these coins. You know, and a lot of these coins are probably better than Bitcoin. It doesn't matter. Bitcoin is still the Don. It's still the king. Okay. So right now, I'm looking for continuation. Yes, we might have a temporary bounce at that 35 level right now, but you know, I'm definitely looking for a continuation because we tried to go up, guys. We tried it. I mean, it's right here. Let's erase this real quick to show you guys. Okay, look at this. Hold on, let me see if I can erase this real quick. All right, so look at this, guys. We tried to go up twice. Okay, we shot up right here. We pulled back. We went up again. So we made a new high right here, guys. But we couldn't close above that high. So we tried. We tried to go up. The bulls tried everything. They tried to push this market up. We fell, okay? We tried once again, okay? We had a nice consolidation, nice pop out of this consolidation. We tried to go up once again, right here. See this bar right here? We tried to go up once again. Boom. It's just like we can't go up. So right now, it's just so weak that I'm looking for continuation. Now, can the market decide to go back up? I mean, anything is possible, but right now, the sellers are in control. It's just what it is. Okay? I'm definitely looking for that 2,000 mark. Okay? Anywhere from 2,900 to 2,500. It doesn't happen. It doesn't have to happen tomorrow or next week, but I'm looking for it. Of course, they're going to do everything to confuse you because the market is a place where they don't want you to make easy money. Okay, so they will always try to trick you, try to trap you. All right. And you have to understand that. So we will get pullbacks. Like for example, right here, we might get a bounce from this level. Okay, just to trick you, just to make you wonder, hey man, this thing might be the bottom and go to the moon. But right now, the sellers are still in control, and all I see is continuation. All right. The volume is still low. Still nothing going on. And if some of you guys think that this is the bottom, honestly, guys, if you really think this is the bottom, some of you guys deserve to get wrecked. Some of you guys deserve to get wrecked because you're not learning from your mistakes. All right? You're not learning from your mistakes. Forget about trying to time the bottom. There's no bottom at all. So let's see if I see any more questions, and we go from there. But I don't know if I'm gonna make this a long live stream or not. But at the same time, shout out to everybody that's here. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button because over here I only look at the charts because the charts is the facts, guys. Okay, let's keep it 100. The charts, all right. It's the facts, and we only care about the facts over here. I want to make you guys professionals, and if you are stuck, don't understand what the market is doing, hit that subscribe button right now if you're new to my channel. And also, if you have any questions, guys, type it in. Type it in. So let's go to these questions real quick, guys. Hey, what's going on, Dan? Let me see here. Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm straight. You said the wicks are deep. Looks like the bears want a bounce. The sellers are control. Yes. Hey, what's going on, Bruno? You said Bitcoin fund manager is calling some kind of reversal. That's sketchy. I mean, is that the same person that said we're going to 50K or something like that? So, let me see here. What's going on, Bitcoin? You said, do I see a triangle forming to the downside or to the upside? To the downside or to the upside? Anybody that's on this live stream, how low do you think Bitcoin could go? Okay, I want to hear your guys' thoughts. I want to hear you guys, thoughts and hear, what you guys are thinking. How low do you think Bitcoin can go? Period. Okay, period. I just want to hear. What you guys think. How low Bitcoin can go. Somebody said 1100, 900, 600, 2400, 950 to 1400, 1400, 1850, 2800. Okay. So what I see for the most part is some of you guys are, or I would say most of you guys on this live stream start to realize that, this market could go low. Okay. Some of you guys start to realize this market could go real low because, you have people in the crypto space that don't think that they don't want to think that the market could go low. Okay, because these are the same guys that only know one way how to, only know one thing. It's just to buy the market and hold. So right now, Bitcoin is in a bear market and it could go real low. Okay. Now, I'm quite sure you guys know where I stand. I believe that Bitcoin will probably go below that 1,000 mark. Okay. And the reason why I believe that is because they have to make people, or they have to create doubt and make people bleed, make people tap out. And going below 1,000 is the only way, only way I see. And that's pretty much when, Bitcoin, we have to go back to the breakout, the real breakout. Okay. And it was around here, 1,200, but the real breakout, it was around 2015. So, going to those numbers definitely wouldn't surprise me at all. Let me see here. You said you heard a lot of people accumulate at 2,800, big names. You can't believe everything you hear Bitcoin. You can't really listen to everything you hear. Asha, hey Ben, I missed your live view on the other night. I just wanted to say I've been following you and on learning about support and resistance as you said, and I made 1,000 on that big drop. So thank you. Woo-hoo! Let me give you that ka-ching button, guys. Give you that bomb. See, that's what I'm talking about, guys. I love that. Okay? That honestly, guys, that's what, seeing things like that helps me to continue to be motivated and do YouTube. All right? That right there, seeing people making money, okay, because I'm trying to give them information and they learning from my videos. I love that. So shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause. That's what I like to see. I like to see people that's very open-minded, people that's willing to learn, People that are not, people. I really hate when people are so negative to the point where they close their mind and say things like technical analysis doesn't work in crypto, or you can't do this in crypto, or blah blah blah. I'm like, yo, bro, you being brainwashed. Stop it. Shout out to Dino. I actually want to show you guys this. Dino, actually one of my students. Okay, I screenshot this real quick. Dino actually made $300. He emailed me. He made 300 and something. I forgot the full number. 300 and something dollars. I'm not gonna read everything. But basically he said, "Thank you. This crypto course really showed me how to profit in a bearish market or bullish trend. Just the beginning, guys." And basically he's showing his proof. Okay, proof that he made his money. And also he also posted again earlier, actually after this post, he posted more profits. So he made additional 200 and something dollars. So shout out to you, Dino Downline. Let me give you that ka-ching button and that bomb. And that round of applause, man. Shout out to you, bro. Dino is new to this, guys. Dino is brand new to this, and he's determined to make money. And this is what I like, guys. This is why, sometimes when it's very hard for me to come on YouTube, this is why I like to come on YouTube. Okay, see stories like this. See stories like this. I usually give you guys that discount, so let me give it. If you guys don't have that by now. This is the course right here, guys. This is the course that basically is going to help you make money in the bear market and the bull market. If you have any questions, let me know. Everything, if you want to read this, just go on this page, read what's about, how to enter, how to exit. You see the testimonials below. Right now, I'm giving you that 50% discount only on the live stream, though. When I get off a live, it's going right back to 300. So whatever you want to do, that's on you. It comes with a Discord room. And, we can chat about crypto, post charts. All right. Let's go to these questions. Let's go back to these questions. Shout out to you guys making money, though. That's what I love to hear. I love to see you guys making this money. Long-term short. You said long. I don't get it. Long or short? I'm not going long in this market. I'm not going long in this market. BJ said, I think it will go back to 1K, 500 to 1K, 1700. So you guys is pretty much, at least you guys, for the most part, believe that this thing could go lower. Okay, that's the main part. That's the main part, because if you really think that this is the bottom and we're going to the moon from here, then you really don't understand how the bear market works. Me personally, I told you guys, I believe we're going to go under that 1,000 mark. Shout out to you, Colin. Never give up. Satoshi is life. Shout out to you. You said all the big money is being bought over the counter, so the charts are not going to look. Yeah. For the most part, it's probably not going to reflect. When will we be under 1,000? Vince, that's very hard to do. Okay, that's like almost impossible to do. You can't really predict time and when price is going to go below 1,000, but you know, it could be a year from now. You know, we don't know. Lance said BTC bounced for 4,446 in 2 weeks and then plunged 1K. That's a possibility, right? So we go to 44 and they go whoop. That's a possibility. We make one more push up just to confuse people, just to go right back down. The time to donate to the channel from that 1K. Shout out to you, David. Let me see here. Do you see volatility coming back in the short? You said, do I see volatility coming back? Short term, mini term. I mean, probably it's probably going to pick up. It's probably going to pick up. I mean, especially if we break that 3,000 mark, I think it's going to pick up. I believe the point is you don't need to know when or how far things will go up. You just need to know how to read the chart so you can trade and catch that profit throughout the oil cycles. Yes, let me give you a round of applause. That is 100% correct. So if you're new to my channel, if you don't understand what he just said, basically what he's saying is I mean, if you really want to become a professional, okay, you're not going to cry because Bitcoin is at 1,000. Okay, are you not going to cry if Bitcoin's at 50K? You basically, you are neutral, and you have to understand how to make money, either, you know, both ways. Okay, if Bitcoin is at 1,000, who cares? Because you can still make money. Okay, if Bitcoin's at 50K, who cares? You can still make money. It's not like, you know, you're picking sides. Most crypto YouTubers and crypto investors, they picking a side. Okay, that's the wrong way to think. And this is what I've been trying to teach you guys last year, year before that, and this year too. Okay, if you want to become a pro, you can't fall in love with one side. You can't fall in love with one coin, okay? That coin might break your heart. You really have to know how to ride the waves or ride the cycles, just like Travis said. Let me see, Travis. Get his course, and you will see how to do this. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to Ash. Ash, give me that $5 super chat. Let me give you a round of applause. Thanks a lot. I appreciate that $4.99 super chat. Appreciate that. Always a balance, Anthony. You are correct. Respect, however, if it does the opposite, there will be a huge run up to win. Where, Anthony? What price? Shout out to Big Ben and the money makers. Yes. You said they won't let you withdraw your Bitcoin. Why not? What's going on over there? What's going on, Crypto Corey? Yeah, happy Saturday, man. Shout out to you, TJ. So yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, other questions, let me know. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Shout out to anybody that's new on my live stream right now. If you are tired of just this back and forth nonsense every single time we look like we're going up, we just go right back down. If you're tired of that, hit that subscribe button, because I can show you how to make money from that. All right. It's just you really have to be open-minded though. Okay. You just can't be that guy that's thinking that every move up is the bottom, because if you do, you know, you're just gonna get wrecked. Just what it is. Okay, you know, the market is not about having a hodl contest, guys. It's not about, oh, I can hodl more than you. No, it's not about that, guys. Okay, it's about how can we make money now. Okay, how can I actually pay my bills from, you know, the market? Okay, the market is not about, oh, getting a big, large sum and thinking that your life is going to change one shot. No, it's not. People got lucky last year, okay? And right now we are in the bear market, and you really have to understand bear markets, they take a long time, okay? If you guys have any questions, type it in. And we go from there. You said what's going on with Dash? 180 went to 74. Yeah. Dash. Yeah, I mean, all these coins look weak, man. You know, it's just what it is. It's how a bear market, you know. I mean, look at this. Look at this chart. Ridiculous. I mean, you said 700, but I mean, it looks like it was it? This chart looks like it was at. Let me see. Let me make sure. I think it went more than 700, if I'm not mistaken. So did it went to 700? That's the highest? 700? No, I think it went to, price wise, it went to like 1500. So we talking about 1500, 1600, all the way back to $74. I mean, guys, that is the depression, guys. Okay, if you don't know what depression is, that's the definition right there, guys. Imagine you. I mean, let's guys. You know, there's people out here in the world that bought Dash at 1500. Okay, there's people out here that bought Dash at 1500. And now it's at 7400. I mean, that is the definition of depression. Okay. So this is why I come on my YouTube channels. I mean my channel. And trying to teach you guys, hey, bro, I understand that you love some of these coins, yada, yada, yada. But if you really want to become a professional, you have to change the way you think, okay? Just what it is. There's no other way around it, okay? Just think about it for a second, right? Let's say this is you right here. All right, this is you, okay, and this is a millionaire right here, okay, so we could put M, millionaire, and this is you, okay, you're just a regular person, average person, okay, we could put average on here, okay, let's put average, all right, average person going to your 9 to 5, okay, how do you expect to get to this level right here? All right. How do you expect to get to this level being average? Having the same type of mindset, same type of information, doing the same things you've been doing your whole life, and you expect to be a millionaire? Think about that for a second, guys. You expect to be a millionaire doing the same thing you've been doing your whole life, having the same information, having the same habits, not improving, just relaxing, chilling, and that's it. And you expect to be a millionaire. And this is what this is how the crypto market looks right here. Okay, most of these crypto investors. This is it right here. Okay, these guys are average. They think that they're going to become a millionaire by doing nothing, being the same average guy. It's just very hard to do. Okay. You guys really have to change your thinking, change your mindsets, change your habits. Okay, it's just what it is. I mean, honestly, guys, it's just what it is, man. You can come on here and you can say whatever you believe, okay? Whatever you can believe. But you have to understand beliefs are not facts. It's just whatever you believe, whatever you feel. So some of you guys need to step up your game. It's 2019, a new year. Why would you want this whole year, 2019, would be another year where you see the market go down and you ain't doing nothing. You just watching it going down. Losing money on top of money on top of money. Losing another 50, 60%. On top of the 80% you lost last year. Why do you want to go through that? Let's go through these questions real quick. Shout out to Bobby, man. Shout out to Bobby. He said, just funded my AMP account 1K. Hope to go live sometime next week. One step closer to financial freedom. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Okay. If you don't know what he's talking about, basically, he's one of my day trading students. Okay. And this is the day trading course right here. And this course shows you how to make money daily. Okay. It just, I'm trying to help you guys get to the next level. Right? So this course shows you how to make money daily and weekly. Okay? This course right here shows you how to make money weekly and monthly, because this is swing trading right here. Okay? This is the crypto course, is swing trading, and this is day trading. You day trading the futures market. Okay? The futures market has a lot of markets you can trade. You can trade gold, you can trade silver, you can trade NASDAQ, you can trade S&P. You can trade, what else? A lot of stuff, okay? Wheat, oil. You can trade some Forex products, all right? You can trade a whole bunch of stuff. And I have a lot of students that's doing real good with this course. If you guys don't have that course by now, check it out. You will get a discount if you bought this course already. You will get a discount, so you don't have to pay the full $950. And if you got the crypto course already, you will get a discount. So just email me for that discount. But shout out to Bobby once again. Let me give you a round of applause for giving me that $10 super chat. What's going on, Sean? Let me see, big. Yeah, hit those likes button, guys. Hit those like button. Okay, hit those like button. It's not gonna hurt you. Your finger's not gonna fall off. But I'm about to get out of here, guys. It is the weekend. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. If you guys have any more questions, you can email me, whatever the case is. But shout out to everybody that's here, guys. I definitely see a lot of improvement when it comes to people just looking at the market overall. I definitely see a lot of improvement when it comes to my subscribers. So shout out to you guys. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Let me see if I see any more questions before I go out. But definitely continue to have a great weekend, guys. Shout out to all my subscribers. I love you guys. And, just continue to grind. Continue to grind, guys. I mean, there's no reason why someone should quit. I mean, no reason why. Okay? If you didn't lose your arms, your legs, if you're still breathing right now, there's no reason why you should quit, because I don't care what you're doing. Even if it's not cryptocurrency. I mean, whatever you're trying to do, there's no reason you should quit. I mean, basically, if you quit, what else are you going to do? That's how I look at things. What else? Are you just going to go to work every single day and come home and watch TV? That's what you're talking about? So you're going to quit to do that? All right? So anybody that's watching this live stream, you shouldn't be quitting. I don't care what it is. Okay? But at the same time, I'm going to be, straightforward with you. I don't want you guys to do things and be, uneducated. You really have to understand what you're doing. Okay? So even if let's say, for example, you're trying something new, you really have to understand how to succeed in whatever you're trying to do. So shout out to you guys. Make sure you always practice, improve, and work to get to the next level, guys. You said, Bobby, I won't trade until I get that T-shirt. Yeah, I'm forgetting about that T-shirt. I gotta figure out how to get that T-shirt going on. But yeah, I definitely will let you guys know when we get that T-shirt. Right now, we're seeing a little bounce from Bitcoin. Like I said, we most likely we probably gonna it's a couple of things we can do. We can consolidate right here, or we can bounce this breakout. Okay, But all this stuff to me is a temporary bounce, just to go right back down. The market is weak. It's just what it is. Talk to you guys later. Make sure you have a great weekend. Stay safe. And, study. Practice. Talk to you guys later and have a great day.